Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Tiruchi location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for front office executive position from Tiruchi Aishwaryam Chit Funds Private Limited. It is located in Tiruchi, Tamil Nadu. Coming to job description, managing front office works, handling customers, system knowledge. So these are the skills required to apply for this position, and interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 9159005555. Next, there is a job vacancy for manpower supervisor position from Livia Polymer Bottles Private Limited, located in Tiruchi, Tamil Nadu. So they are going to offer a salary range between minimum 1,45,000 to max 1,50,000 rupees per annum, and you should be having UG graduate and 1 to 5 years of experience in manpower management. Male candidates are eligible to apply for this position. Freshers can also apply. So interested candidates, you can also check here with the responsibilities, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 90470364459. Capgemini is hiring for the position of invoice processing PA2, located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. And this is about the job description, and you should be having knowledge in SAP, good communication skills, basic understanding of MS Excel. And coming to secondary skills, and the role holder must comply with all the quality management system QMS, business continuity management system BCMS. We should be having skills like mentioned here, and interested candidates for this position, you can check here in the website link provided. Next, National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli hiring for the position of Junior Research Fellow. It is located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 31,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available for this post. So education qualification will be ME or MTech. Fresher candidates are apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can apply to this position on and before 15th March 2021, and you can also check here with the selection procedure and application procedure, and for detailed information you can check here in the website link about application procedure and all for this job notification. Next, there is a job vacancy for registered position from National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. So they are offering a salary for this position is 67,000 rupees per month, and only one vacancy is available for this position. And any master's degree candidates are eligible to apply for this position, and the candidate should be having 2 to 15 years of experience. And the candidates who are interested in this job, those candidates can apply for this position on and before 26th March 2021. And for more detailed information about this job notification, you can check in the website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for investment administrator position from Parkow Venture, located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. So they are going to offer a salary for this position is 45,000 rupees per month. And the candidate should be having knowledge in the investment sector, insurance sector, and the LIC sector, and they are going to provide good salary package and immediate requirement. So interested candidate for this job vacancy, you can approach them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 9994343108. There is a job opening for godown supervisor from Ramson Autos, located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. And experienced and as well as fresher candidates can apply for this position. You can walk into the interview by approaching them with the given phone number, that is 8643853371. There is a job vacancy for front office executive position from Shakti NEET Residential Academy, located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Lady graduates willing to work in their residential academy at Tiruchi, they are going to provide accommodation and food facilities will be free. and you should be having typing skill and good communication and computer knowledge. These skills are required for this position. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 9345129898. There is a job vacancy for English voice transcriptionist position from Big Wigs Technologies located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, and they are looking for a candidate for this position, both English and Tamil, and the candidate should be have an English knowledge and also have a knowledge in typing, at least average. It's a full-time job. You can walk into the interview by approaching them with the given phone number. For further details, the number is 9344769914. There is a job vacancy for trainee medical coder. It is from Omega Healthcare Management Services Private Limited, located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. So they are going to offer a salary range between minimum 10,000 to max 12,000 rupees per month. Education qualification will be any nursing graduates can apply. Now, coming to skills, good knowledge on human anatomy and physiology, decent communication skills are required. Age criteria will be till 33 can apply for this position, and 9 hours will be the working hours. It's a day shift, morning 9 to 6 p.m. 5 days working in a week. I mean 2 days week off. Interested candidates for this position, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 9944971907. There is a job opening for SEO trainee position from Parkow Infotech located in Tiruchirappalli. So they are hiring for SEO internship training, or it's a immediate requirement. It is for only female candidates. The candidate must have good English writing skills. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given two phone numbers provided here. There is a job opening for operation executive position from Greco Enercon Private Limited located in Tiruchirappalli. So work location will be Tuvakudi. Coming to qualification and requirement details, you should be having 2 years or above experience to apply for this position, and education qualification will be any UG or MBA degree preferable. Interested candidates, you can walk into the interview to the given address details, or else you can send your resume to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for marketing assistant position from Wrinkler located in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. So they are looking for a candidate for cleaning chemicals with or without experience. Both males and female candidates are preferred. They are going to provide incentives with transportation fees, and it is for fresher candidates. You can walk into the interview by approaching them with the given phone number, and you will get more detailed information about this position. The number is 8300497151. Next, there is a job opening for medical transcriptionist position from OperaMed Business Solutions, and it is located in Tiruchi, and you should be having about 2 years of experience in medical transcription. Salary is based on the market standards. It's a full-time job. Interested candidates about this position, you can approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 908064071. Next, there is a job opening for Gordon Helper. It is from Ramson Autos located in Tiruchirappalli. Both fresher and experienced candidates can apply for this position. It's a full-time job. Working days will be Monday to Friday. 2 days will be week off. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for further details. The number is 8643853371. There is a job opening for logistics executive position from Boson Infra India Private Limited, and you should be having 2 to 3 years of experience to apply for this position, and fresher candidates can also apply. And you can also check here with the roles and responsibilities mentioned here, and interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 9962631120. Next, there is a job opening for cashier or customer service position from Sri Jainathan Sheets Private Limited located in Tiruchi, Tamil Nadu. They are going to offer a salary for this position is 10,000 rupees per month, and interested candidates for this position, you can contact them with the phone number that is 70944588990. There is a job vacancy for marketing executive position for this company. It is located in Tiruchi, and they are going to offer a salary for this position is 20,000 rupees per month. and it is for only male candidates. Coming to qualification details, any degree or minimum 10th pass. So these are the qualification details. Minimum 6 months of experience is required, and freshers can also eligible to apply for this position. The candidate speak fluently in English or Tamil. So these are the languages. Either one of the languages is required to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given two phone numbers. For further details, the number is 6384798965. Second one, 8610570243. So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.